England, behind the iconic doors of Rolls-Royce motor cars, something extraordinary takes shape. This is not a typical factory. It is a sanctuary of craftsmanship, where machines are transformed into masterpieces. Here, every creation begins with a vision, not a blueprint. It starts with a single client. No limits, no compromises, just an idea waiting to become reality. Designers gather in a private studio, listening carefully, translating emotions, lifestyle, and ambition into design. Every curve, every line, every detail is tailored to one individual. Sketches evolve into digital models as engineers bring precision to imagination. Using advanced 3D technology, they refine every surface, ensuring beauty and performance exist in perfect harmony. This is where the identity of the Rolls-Royce boat tail is born, an expression of pure exclusivity. But true luxury lies in materials. Rare woods, the finest leather, and polished metals are carefully selected from around the world. Each piece is chosen not just for its beauty, but for how it feels, how it ages, and how it tells a story. Then the craftsmanship begins. Skilled artisans shape aluminum into a flawless chassis, working with precision tools and years of expertise. Body panels are formed by hand, each curve perfected through patience and skill. This is not mass production. This is art in motion. At its heart, a powerful V12 engine is assembled piece by piece. Every component is placed with care, ensuring a drive that is not just powerful, but effortlessly smooth. Once completed, the engine is carefully integrated into the chassis, forming the soul of the machine. The body is then prepared for one of the most delicate stages, painting. Layer after layer of custom paint is applied.